In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Google Meet using Google Calendar. Whether you're planning meetings across different time zones or traveling, adjusting the time zone for your events is a helpful feature. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, you'll need to make your way over to Google Calendar. This is your go-to tool for managing all your Google Meet schedules and events. You can access Google Calendar through your web browser by simply typing Google Calendar into the search engine, or you can go directly to the website if you have it bookmarked. Once you're in, you'll see your calendar with all the events you've scheduled, including any Google Meet sessions. Next, locate the specific event you want to adjust. Click on it to bring up the event details. Here, you'll typically see the title, time, date, and any other details you've previously entered for your meeting. Now, look for the option labeled Join with Edit Event. Selecting this option will allow you to make changes to the details of your meeting. Now that you're in the editing screen, you should see an option for time zone. It's important to note here that adjusting the time zone will affect how the time is displayed across all your linked devices and for anyone you've invited to the meeting. Click on the time zone option and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu includes a comprehensive list of time zones from around the world. Select the appropriate time zone that suits your needs. If you're unsure which time zone to choose, ensure you double-check the location or the corresponding GMT time to avoid scheduling conflicts. Selecting the right one will automatically adjust the timing of your event to match the local time of the chosen zone. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking OK. This step is crucial. It finalizes the change in your calendar system, ensuring your event has been updated correctly. At this point, you aren't quite finished yet. You need to save all these adjustments. Look for the Save button and click on it. This action will preserve all the edits you've just made, applying them to your event. Finally, if you have attendees, Google Calendar will prompt you to send out updates to inform them of the changes. Click Send to ensure everyone is aware of the new time zone and any shifted meeting times. Keeping everyone in the loop avoids confusion and keeps your event running smoothly. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the time zone for your Google Meet event. This small adjustment can make a big difference in maintaining punctuality and ensuring seamless communication across different regions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.